In this video, I am going to show you how you can send video mails to your users who are chatting with you through the xMarketer Messenger. Video mails are recorded videos that you can directly send to your users through the xMarketer Messenger. In order to send video mails to your users, click on the Conversations icon on the left sidebar to open your ongoing conversations. On the Conversations page, click on an ongoing conversation with a user to whom you want to send a video mail. To send a video mail, click on the film icon on the top right part of your chat window. When you click on this icon, a pop-up will open in front of you. You can click on the red record icon to start recording a video. If the browser asks for video permissions, then you need to select Allow option. Once you've recorded the video, you can see a preview of your video mail before sending it. To send the video mail, click on the check button in the pop-up. Your video will be sent to the user chatting with you on xMarketer Messenger and will be visible in their Messenger window. In this way, you can send video mails using xMarketer. With video mails you can establish trust with your customers and swiftly resolve all their queries.